Hey guys, this week we're going to be making a salt shaker on the lathe. Stick around. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. As I said before, this week we're going to be showing you how to make this wooden salt shaker using the lathe. The first thing you're going to want to do is go grab you a small little piece of oak log, which is what I used at least. It was about 4-inch diameter, like I said. This is a little bit smaller than 4 inches, of course, so you can go with a smaller one. You probably could get away with a 2.5, 3-inch one, something like that. Anyway, it's a real quick, easy project, and we're going to be using this out in the shop mainly for glue ups and things. If you put a few little grains of salt whenever you're gluing up your boards, it keeps them from sliding too much. So it's pretty helpful out in the shop, of course. You could use it in the kitchen if you want to, but that's up to you. Anyway, if you like videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave that down in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, here's a piece we're going to be using. It's a piece of oak. It's about 3-inch diameter, about 5.5, 6 inches long. And we're going to be turning it into a salt shaker. So the first thing we're going to do, we've already got it here between centers, we're going to go ahead and rough it out and make good, go ahead and true it up, make it round. Then we're going to cut one side flat and we're going to mount it to one of these plates right here. So that way we can go ahead and hollow out the inside to hold our salt. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and drill our hole for our salt shaker here. We got a 3/4 inch forstner bit that we're using, and we're going to be using a 3/4 inch rubber plug to plug that hole up, of course. That's the biggest size I could find at the local hardware store, otherwise I'd be making it slightly bigger. But we're going to go ahead and drill this in probably about 3 inches or so, because that's about the size of our salt shaker that we're going to be making. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and drill the holes in the top. We're going to be using a 1/16 inch drill bit, and I've got 5 holes that I'm going to be drilling. Alright guys, well here's our final product. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. We'll see you next week.